Guten Tag. What else can we say? Buenos dias. No, I don't know. Anyway, good morning. On another job. We've got to go and put some loft lighting in a client's loft because he's having a aircon and the guys need lighting. He wants lights up there anyway. He's getting a bigger loft hatch. All in preparation for a big aircon install. We're going to be doing the electrical. Little Lewis is going to be doing the aircon. You'll probably meet him on a next video at some point. Knee is feeling a lot better. Look, it's healing up well. We've got some socks on. We're going to get James, see how he's doing. Well, we got the materials. We picked up 8 lights, Earthshore, and some glands and that. The guy gave me 2 glands. I wanted 2 packs, which is fair enough. My fault. Should say 2 packs, really. But they're just taking ages, like, compared to Oxford. Oh, Slough. What? That was... Yeah, they were, look. They were £3.73 for 20 stuffers, whisker ones, and then 8 lights, Earthshore. Yeah, the Earthshore's £36.50, look. Not bad. Saves us using that. We don't need that today, look. All right, quick run through. That loft hatch is going, okay. Switch is going to be moved. Focus. New loft hatch going in there. Is putting some aircon in the loft. Fuse board is here, so we got, not today, but got to get a cable in. We're going to put a fuse board in this cupboard somewhere to run all our units. But in the loft, let me show you. Whoops. Let me show you. Right. Where this has got this through here, we're going to get this boarded through the middle, and then it's a big loft that way, and then there's the same loft that way. So we're going to put 4 battens down here, and then 4 battens that way. Move this switch here to somewhere over here when the new hatch is going to come up with a ladder, so they can come straight up and probably put it on there, turn the light on and get all these lights to come on with one switch. 1 is good for the guy boarding after us, and 2 for the aircon guys putting all the ducting and stuff up here. Well, these are the battens. We fitted some of these yesterday actually in a massive garage conversion thing we've been doing. 15, wasn't it, yesterday? Yep. And look, they come with a microwave sensor hole, and we fitted 3 of those. We'll try and show you them on another job. And they retrofit, so you clip them into that plug. They're really good, but this is switchable colour and switchable output. So pretty good. Come with a 600 fixing, so you can go through there. Then we're just going to stuffing gland the ends and run a cable through. So we're going to get these 4 wanged up here first. We'll get these 4 done and on, James. Yeah. And then work from that way, yeah? We'll get them 4 done. And then light this up and then do the 4 that way. And then it'll be a bit better for us to work in. So let's get on with it. Every time I get an epoxy loft, there's a epoxy wasp up here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give us a jumper, mate. Blaze. Go and get biscuits, James. James, go and get biscuits. Huh? Tea, yeah. What's that on your shoulder? Oh, it's insulation. Yeah. Is it what? Yeah. Cup of tea, yeah? All right. Thanks, Shah. Righty-ho. We've got 1. We changed our mind. We've done 5 down here. It's a bigger area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to get these wired off this original batten. That'll go. Then we'll get all these on. That'll give us a lot more light to work up here. Then we're going to work down that section of the loft down there. Going to have a wee, mate. So look, we've gone for Doncaster. It is Earthshore. And to make life easier, we haven't got sleeve the centre core anymore. It's sleeved. So strip, put it in straight away. It's a little bit more expensive, but apparently it's time saving. But we're going to get this now linked between the lights. I'll come off of that one there, and as I say, we'll get these ones on, and then we'll eventually move this switch when we've done all the lights. That'll probably just get a Wago box, and then we'll just extend the switch line that way. There's 1 light connected. Come up, mate, and then we can show the switchy colour of the switching changing, can't we? Obviously we've stuffing gland the ends. we use a whisker. If you want to know what we're using, that's what we're using. That one's there. Pause video now, unpause. Dropping all the screws on the floor. Yeah, from downstairs, that's fine. So now we're just going to loop a cable from this one to this one. Then we'll come out of that fitting and go to the next 3 lights that way. And then we'll show you the 5 on their own. To all James's haters out there, you got a lot, James.
I haven't got any.
You have? He is.
Maybe one.
He is working. Look, he's working for once. So light output. This is the, what colour is it? Cool white. Cool white. So warm, cool, which is about 4, and then this is about 6. So it's more of a like a bluey compared to that. Look, blue, and then up. Cool. That's a warm compared to that, and then the cool white. I quite like the cool white, to be fair, up here. We have to change out of the old thing then, mate, won't we? At the old garage. Yeah. Can I not film it in that? No. I got a new phone and I was asking what cinematic is. Obviously cinematic. Right, look, there's 5. Leave that one down because we're going to come off of him and go that way. But that's 5 up in this area now, and it's a lot better than it was. We have obviously got to move that switch, so we're going to come up here, along here, clip, cable down to a new switch position where the hatches go in. That could just get Wago box, or could have put blank plate on that, couldn't we? Don't matter. We'll just put a Wago box there, yeah? Or leave a switch with nothing doing nothing, couldn't we? Put Wagos in the back of it. All right. Go for it. Oh, wow. Well, look, we're working our way. We've done that bit. Climbing through this. This is another part of the loft. Working our way this way now. Got 2 more to go down to light up this area. And then this bit's done. Clip a switch wire along here. Move a light. Bob's your uncle. And Fanny's your aunt. Isn't it, James?
She's not.
Fanny? James? Fanny your aunt?
No.
James? Fanny your aunt? No. Aerial face. Go and get the tea and biscuits. But that's 8 lights. 8 lights done, look. It's a bit better, isn't it? So now he's going to have flooring through here, on the raised legs, through here. And then they're going to have air handling units up here. We will put a fuse board in the cupboard below, and then we'll wire a circuit up here for the air handling units. And then 3 circuits, I think, that way? Is it that way? That way. 3 circuits this way, out that wall, down the wall to the 3 units going outside. Right, James, look up through the spotlight. He's disconnected that spotlight. I don't know what they're going to do with all these cables running here, but I guess the hatch is going to go here somewhere. This is my new switch. Obviously didn't do anything yet. I'm going to go and connect it up. Where are you? He's Wago. Ah? Where? Oh yeah, there he is. I see you. He's Wagoed that off, so that will get moved when he cuts it, and then we'll either put it in or just leave it. I've clipped up our cable up here, so goes along to the old loft hatch, and then that was the previous job I did. Look, smoke alarm in the bedroom over there. That's pretty good. So we're going to just connect it into that switch. That switch will just be redundant. That's going to get blanked off, and then a new hatch cut in here for the up and down ladder. And then I'll walk back here and turn it off there. All right, there we go. Done and dusted. Another one bites the dust. Thanks, Mr. Dave, for the top tier biscuits which James has taken home with him. M&S selection box. So, Mike, if you're watching, we need some top tier biscuits on the next one. The next time you'll see us on that one is we're going to put an armoured on. We've just talked about it for the aircon. We got to run 3 external power supplies for the condensers outside. One will come from out of a box up the side of the house into the loft, then a fuse board, and then a circuit inside for the internal units. We'll show you that. The flooring will be done by then, the loft hatch, and then all the lighting will make sense while we've done all that lighting. So if you want your loft lighting doing, your EV charger doing, your aircon doing, hit me up on the email below. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.